do.
Sure. Phrasal verbs are an alternative way of expressing things.
If you can express them easily and simply, why do you need phrasal verbs for it?
Because it's more sophisticated and dynamic. Plus, it gives a kick on verbal communication.
Oh, I see.
Stop working.
Break down.
How about raise the issue?
Bring something up.
Force entry.
Break in.
Let out a secret.
Give it.
How about quit a habit?
Give up.
Interesting. Understand. Or should I say it out? So you see, figure out your vocabulary and dive into the sea of confidence bay to enhance your speaking skills.
And
Aha.
mark your personality in your surroundings.
Subscribe to our channel Confidence Bay and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more interesting language hacks.